but certain parts of the Mediterranean have different names, like the Adriatic Sea, the Aegean Sea. The Ionian Sea, in which you're currently cruising, lies in between the west coast of Greece and Italy, southern Italy.
Between west coast of Greece and Italy.
Now, on our left, that's not pollution in the air. There's no heavy industry in the area, no factories. That's all moisture, and it's moisture coming from the sea.
Look how rugged it is here. Mountains, the most mountainous area, most hilly area in all of Greece. From here you can take ferries to Brindisi and Ancona.
And another pretty view on our right. Steep hillsides dropping into the blue sea with secluded coves here and there along the steep rocky coast. According to Greek mythology and according to the Odyssey, Odysseus visited the Oracle of the Dead in order to consult the ghost of Tiresias. Tiresias was a seer. His ghost was in the underworld, and upon the instructions of Circe, Circe was a witch, a beautiful